Why is Astype, Bool, are converting all values to true? I'm trying to convert a column in a data frame of strings true and false to a Boolean. For other data types I've simply used Astype and not had any issues, but for some reason using it on this column converts all the values to true. I have repeated the test on a list of strings as follows. But it gives the same result. What is going on here and how do I properly convert the data type? I've tried using map and replace to change the values before conversion, but neither changed the outcome.
There is problem: strings values are converted to trues. Solution: or
One clear approach to this will be OEP.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.